everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And good morning, or good afternoon, or evening, or when you're watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you so much for being with me. Today, guys, we are gonna visit some houses. Yes, you will have to help me choose. Okay, I'll see you there. Guys, I just arrived at the first house. This one is from 1973. There's 2 bedrooms. I'll show you. Okay, so I'm sorry in advance. This video is kind of all over the place. I was trying to film, ask question, and actually think at the same time, so it's a bit chaotic, but I really wanted to bring you guys with me because I need help deciding. I went to visit 4 houses today in Gatineau, and yeah, this is basically come house hunting with me. For obvious reasons, I'm not gonna show the facade of the house, so it might be a little bit confusing, but still. Okay, so this is the first house. As I told you, it was built in 1973, and it's listed at 389 and 900K. It has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It's actually really cute. Like, the backyard has a pool and everything, but only 2 bedrooms. I don't know. The basement was kind of finished, but it smelled like humidity, and I could see the condensation on the windows. There was a powder room kind of in the basement with the laundry room. There was carport on this house, so I guess you don't need to remove the snow on your car in the winter, so it's a plus. Okay, so this is house number 2. It's also from the 70s. This one was built in 1975, and this one has 4 bedrooms, which is a huge plus, and it also has a finished basement. You're gonna see it. And this house was posted at 390K. The decor is kind of granny vibes, but I kind of like it. It honestly felt way bigger inside, and there's a little sunroom, which I loved. Trust me, guys, there was little birds in front, chirping, and the bathroom was fully renovated. There was a lot of storage. There's a huge tree in front of the house, and also the backyard is, I would say, 90% intimate. There's just one side that you can see, I guess, the neighbor's pool, but that's a cute, I think, how do they call that? 3 seasons veranda. And it's like a sunroom. And this is what I'm telling you, the only one side has a view on the pool of the neighbors. This one had how do you call that? A wood fireplace in the basement, and also a powder room in the basement with the laundry room. Oh, and there was like a huge shed for some reason with windows and even an AC inside. And this house comes with the snowblower and the grass cutter. Okay guys, now I'm at the third house. Okay, this is house number 3. This one is built in 1955. This house has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and basement is partially finished. This house was posted at 349,900K. It's nice, but I don't know, something felt a little off. Like, the only thing I didn't like was actually the neighborhood. The neighbor had a lot of junk in his yard, and it's kind of a rough neighborhood. The style of the house itself is kind of cool though, I won't lie. Like, I like the vibe and all. The basement was not finished at all, and it was super cold there. The washer and dryer are also in the basement. There is this little corner that is kind of cool, that is kind of finished in the basement, but that's it. Oh yeah, and there is a cold room. I just arrived at the fourth and last house. Okay, this is house number 4. This one is way newer. It was built in 1995. It has 2 bedrooms downstairs and a bathroom downstairs with a powder room and a laundry room upstairs. It's totally finished. This house was posted at 359,900K. It is a house that is attached to another house, and also the backyard was not fenced, so it was just opened like that. The bath seemed so cozy, like you could literally be 2 people in there and be super chill. Like, it's so good. Overall, this one just felt like more modern, but a little small. But I'm not gonna lie guys, one of these houses really stood out to me, and I actually made a buying offer. Which one do you think it is? Please leave your guys in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. and I will see you in the next one.